Hello, my name is Isabella Doyle.
Gabrielle Morales.
I'm Nathan LeBeau, and we are from Auburn Middle School in Auburn, Massachusetts.
Our research question was, how can the GOES satellite help predict the weather of a particular area?
Research procedure. The research we conducted was an investigation into the use and benefit of using the Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite System, GOES, in predicting weather in a certain geographical area over a period of 5 days. Our research showed that using the satellite with local weather data offers an accurate forecast for the designated area of focus.
Research methods. The region we chose to study was the Upper Mississippi Valley. We chose this region because we thought it was a good region that experienced a variety of weather and some extreme weather. In the months that we researched this region, it was exceptionally cold, and we thought there would be a possibility for blizzards and winter storms. We chose to specifically focus on collecting weather data in Minneapolis, Minnesota. As instructed by our teacher, Mrs. Loach, we collected weather data over a 5-day period from the local CBS station, WCCO. The following factors were recorded: temperature, humidity, dew point, precipitation, pressure, air masses, and fronts. Once the data was collected, it was organized into the following chart for analysis. This is the chart of the A comparison amongst the data was done, and the research team chose to focus on the 2 days which the weather was the most dramatic. Each day data was collected. The research team looked at and collected images of the Upper Mississippi Valley from the Geostationary Operational Environmental Satellite, or GOES. The team focused on the 2 chosen days and did a comparison across the data collected.
This is the chart we have created. So, on 10 a.m. on Thursday, the temperature was 14 degrees Fahrenheit. On Thursday, 7 p.m., the temperature was 18 degrees Fahrenheit. On 7 a.m. on Friday, the temperature was 19 degrees Fahrenheit. On 5 p.m. Friday, the temperature was 16 degrees Fahrenheit. At 9 a.m. on Saturday, the temperature was 25 degrees Fahrenheit. On Saturday at 9 p.m., the temperature was 31 degrees Fahrenheit. On 9 a.m. on Sunday, the temperature was 31 degrees Fahrenheit. At 7 p.m. on Sunday, the temperature was 14 degrees Fahrenheit. On 10 a.m. on Monday, the temperature was 19 degrees Fahrenheit. And on Monday, on 7 p.m., the temperature was 22 degrees Fahrenheit. The precipitation throughout the week was always close to none. The dew point and the humidity stayed consistent. The low pressure systems and high pressure systems varied, and the fronts were usually cold, and the air masses were always continental polar.
This chart here shows the temperature in Minneapolis. The evening temperature is represented by the red square, and you can see that's more consistent than the morning temperature, which is represented by the blue diamond. They do overlap in some places, showing you when it was warmer and when it was colder during the day or during the night.
In this region, located near the Mississippi River and the Great Lakes, usually have varying temperatures and precipitation. During this time of research, it rained and experienced cold temperatures. Here's a map of where we studied. Some states include Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, Illinois, Wisconsin, and a few major cities are Minneapolis, Chicago, and St. Louis.
The GOES satellite that we use is geostationary, meaning that it remains and hovers over the Earth, and it turns at the same rate that the Earth turns. So it's only getting pictures of North and South America. It helped us to get really good pictures of the Upper Mississippi Valley because it's focusing on a specific area.
The team chose to use GOES weather bands 4, 5, 6, and 9. Each band was chosen for a specific purpose. Band 4 here was chosen because it shows cirrus clouds. This is important because it helped us identify the types of clouds in the area and determine the visibility. We chose to use band 5 because we needed to see snow and ice during the winter and the approaching months. The air is very cold and precipitation is common, meaning snow and ice occur frequently.
6th band right here and right here helped us track the speed of cloud development. The Upper Mississippi Valley often experiences low pressure systems, so thick clouds are common. It is important to record how quickly clouds condense and form and identify when a larger storm or more powerful storm is headed towards the region. The last band 9, the top one up here, uses mid-level water vapor in the mid to upper troposphere, which is the lowest level of Earth's atmosphere. The band is commonly used for forecasting and can help predict severe weather events in the area such as blizzard. Satellite data is incredibly important when forecasting weather as it gives real-time information about weather in a specific area or weather systems approaching the area. Sunday, you can see there was a high-pressure system because bands 4, 5, and 6 all show clear skies. These are the ones that would show snow, ice, or clouds, and there's none shown here. Band 9, the one with false colors, is showing a lot of blue, which means it was relatively warm. Since the colors are all like the same, that would mean that there's a high-pressure system. So during this time, there was a high-pressure system. Kind of Saturday into Sunday, the weather was like this, and it had snowed the Thursday before, but all of that had cleared out.
So as you can see, by just using satellite images, you can get a pretty good idea of what the weather was like in this area. 2, 1.
Thanks for watching.
Ew, ew.